Hiring junior HR. Experience 0 to 1 year. Location Indore. Employment time full time. Salary 13,000 to 15,000 CTC. Key responsibilities: handle end-to-end recruitment for entry-level positions, source candidates through job portal and other hiring channels, screen resumes and schedule interviews, coordinate with candidates and hiring managers, follow up with candidates throughout the recruitment process, assist in onboarding and documentation of new joiners, maintain candidate and employee record, prepare and update HR reports using MS Excel. Requirements: bachelor's degree or MBA in HR, 0 to 1 year of experience in HR or recruitment, good knowledge of MS Excel, including VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, pivot table, if formula, and other basic Excel formulas, basic understanding of recruitment process, good communication and interpersonal skills, ability to multitask एंड वर्क इन ए फास्ट पेस्ड एनवायरनमेंट। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड है इस जॉब के लिए तो नीचे दिए गए ईमेल पर आप अपना अपडेटेड सीवी भेज करके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।